In this module, we are going to discuss meaning and functions of middle and lower level management. Learning outcome. Student will be able to describe functions performed by middle and lower level management. Student will be able to identify the role of managers working at different level. Now, meaning of middle level management. Middle level management comprises of departmental heads such as production manager, finance manager, marketing manager, personnel manager and so on. Middle level management is responsible for implementation of the ideas, policies that are framed by the top level management. They have to understand and support the ideas of the top level management. So, middle level management is a link between the top level management and the lower level management. Whatever the policies that are framed at the top level will be communicated to the lower level through the middle level management. So, middle level management has to also follow the instructions of the top level management, and it is a link between the top level management and lower level management. Now, let us discuss the functions of middle level management. Interpretation of plans and policies framed by the top level management to lower level management. So, whatever the policies that are designed or framed at the top level has to be interpreted or has to be explained to the people working at the middle level. So, middle level manager will explain the policies and plans of the top level management to the lower level management. Say for example, company has decided not to sell the goods on credit. So, here marketing manager will explain to his sales people that the salesperson cannot sell the goods on credit. So, that is a interpretation of the policies. Organizing resources for executing plans and policies. Middle level management has to organize the resources that are required, human resources and non-human resources for executing the plans and policies of the department. Appointing executives and other staff. So, here middle level management will also appoint the executives and other staff which are required for the functioning of the middle level management. Assigning of duties and responsibilities to staff in the department. So, middle level management has to assign the duties to all the people working in the department and make them responsible for the work that is assigned. Motivating employees through various incentives for higher productivity. Middle level management has to motivate their employees through various types of incentives. Incentives can be monetary incentives or non-monetary incentives. So, use of these incentives can increase the productivity of the employees in the organization. Framing policies for department. Each department, whether it is a production department, purchase department, personnel department, each department has to frame policies for their department. Like say personnel department can frame promotion policies, transfer policies for the organization. Next is issuing instructions to the lower level management. The middle level management will also issue the instructions to the lower level management for the smooth functioning of the organization. Communicating problems faced by the lower level management to the top level management. Now, middle level management is a link between the top level and the lower level. So, whatever are the problems faced by the people working at the lower level will be communicated to the higher level through middle level management. Preparation of budgets for department and submitting it to the top level management. Each department, whether it is a production department, marketing department, materials department, they have to prepare their budget and send it to the top level for approval. Revising departmental policies from time to time for better performance. The departmental policies which are framed may become outdated with the passage of time. So, you may have to come up with new policies or you may have to revise certain policies. Like say for example, personnel department may revise the seniority promotion by seniority method to promotion through merit. So, through this method the performance of the employee can be improved. So, revising departmental policies from time to time so that the performance of the employees in the organization can be improved. Framing, preparing rules and regulations for supervisory staff. Here the middle level management has to prepare the rules and regulations for supervisory staff so that all the activities are going very smoothly in the organization. Cooperate and coordinate with other departments for smooth functioning of organization. All these departments in the organization have to cooperate and coordinate with other departments so as to have smooth functioning of organization. Like say for example, if marketing department wants to sell more, the production department will have to produce more. So, to produce more you may require more raw material, you may require more employees. So, there is a need to coordinate among all these departments for smooth functioning of the organization. Collecting information, reports about the work done and forwarding to the top level management. Whatever that is done in the organization, the statistical report, the information, the performance, this has to be submitted to the top level management. These are the functions of middle level management. Next, the functions of lower level management. Lower level management is also called as first line management or supervisory management or operating management. Lower level management is actually concerned with implementation of the work. Whatever the plans and policies are decided at the top level will be implemented at the lower level. So, lower level includes supervisors, foremen and large number of workers to carry out the day to day activities of the business. At this level the authority is very limited or they have very limited power. The functions performed by the lower level management. Planning of day to day production activities of the business. Now, here lower level management have to plan day to day activities in consultation with the goals and objectives set by the top level management. Lower level management is also concerned with assigning tasks, jobs to each worker. Every employee in the organization should be assigned with certain work so that everybody is busy in doing the work and the work is going on smoothly. Providing training to workers. Training is a process in which you are improving the skill, capabilities, knowledge of the employee so that he can perform better. So, company has to decide upon the training of employees. This can be a regular feature or it can be as per the requirement of the worker. So, you need to give training to workers. Communicating the decisions taken by the top level management to workers. All these decisions that are taken by the top level management which are related to workers should be communicated to the workers by the lower level management. Maintaining discipline among workers. Discipline is observance of certain rules and regulations in the organization. So, discipline is required in the organization and every employee should maintain discipline in the organization. Ensuring that the quality of output is maintained. Lower level management is to see that whatever goods are manufactured is of quality. They should produce quality products with minimum wastages. Providing good working condition and healthy superior subordinate relationship. Employees should be provided with good working condition, means a sufficient space to work, cleanliness at workplace, proper lighting, proper ventilation at the workplace, and they should develop a good superior subordinate relationship. Helping middle level management in selecting workers. Workers' requirements are different. So, here lower level management can help the middle level management in selecting the right type of people for the organization. Representing the problems of worker to the middle level management. Worker may have certain problems related to workplace, related to safety measures. All these problems of the workers should be represented to the middle level management by the lower level management. Maintenance of machinery and other equipment. Lower level management is supposed to maintain regularly the machineries and other equipment used in the production department, so that there is no breakdown of production and there is no interruption to the production activities. Supervision, direction and control over the workers. Lower level management has to guide, supervise, give proper direction and control the activities of the worker, so that all the activities goes as per the plan. Reporting actual performance of the department to the higher level. Whatever the performance at the lower level in terms of production, in terms of information, all this should go to the higher level in the organization from the lower level. So, that is called as reporting actual performance of the department to higher level. These are the books which I use, these are the references I use. Thank you.